First, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier foundation primer. I'm going to apply that all over my face, and I'm going to blend it out with a flat brush. So now I'm going to take my LA Pro Girl concealer and creamy beige. I'm going to apply that underneath my brows and on my eyelids. So I clean up my eyebrows, and then I'm using it as an eyeshadow primer. Then I'm going to set it with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, so it could be no creases. My transition shades, I'm going to use MAC Shadow and my Makeup Forever contour shade from the palette. And I'm going to put that both those colors in my crease. Then I'm going in with my MAC Cool Neutral 15 palette. And I'm going to take that purple shade at the top that I pointed to. And I'm going to apply that in my outer corner and my inner corners. You just want to pack this shade on with a flat brush. You do not want to like spread it. So you're going to pack it on and just pack it on so it can be more intense and smoky. So now I'm going to take a concealer brush. I'm going to use the same concealer I used on my eyelid, and I'm just going to apply that directly into the middle between the inner and outer corner. You do this, you want to swipe downwards. You don't want to pack it on, you want to swipe downwards, and then you want to set it with your Laura Mercier so it can be just smooth. This look is just to make sure everything is blended, so I'm just packing on more purple so it can be more smoky and blended with the concealer. Okay, now I'm going to grab my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I'm going to use the shade Nectar, and I'm going to apply that on top of the concealer. You can like leave your eyes like this if you want, but I'm about to add glitter, so it's going to be the base for the glitter. So after I'm done with both eyes, I'm going to apply eyeliner into my waterline and for a cat eye. I'm using my Laura Mercier foundation in Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation in the shade Suntan 4 in 1. So I'm going to apply that with a damp beauty blender and just put that all over my face. For the highlight and contour, I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Concealers in the shades Creamy Beige and Espresso. So Espresso is going to be my contour shade. And it's it is dark for me, but as long as you just blend everything out, like, it will be flawless. Like, the key to makeup is blending and make sure everything is effortlessly. But yeah, try to spray some setting spray before I blend it so everything just be moist, because the concealers tend to dry out fast. Now that everything is blended, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm going to set my whole face. I'm going to draw a line underneath my contour, so my contour can just be like an even straight line before I put my contour powder on. What I'm using to contour is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I'm gonna use a MAC brush I've been using in like all my videos. I really love this brush. Like, it just makes sure my contour is on point, and it's just wonderful. And I'm gonna use like an elf brush, contour brush, to contour my nose. I just take a big fluffy brush and I just wipe all the excess powder off my face. And now I'm going to use a Sephora Gold Glitter Liner. I'm going to put that on top of the shade Nectar that I used to make this halo eye. You can leave it alone without adding glitter, but I chose to be extra, so I'm going to add some glitter. And this is how you create the glitter halo eye. To smoke out the bottom of my eye, I'm going to use the shades I use on top. So Saddle, the contour shade, and the purple shade. I'm just going to blend it out. I'm going to use Bobbi Brown Pink Glow Highlighter. And for my lashes, I'm going to use some 3D Mink lashes. I really don't know the name of them, but they're big and fluffy. For my lips, I'm applying my Too Faced Lip Injection. I'll leave it on for like a couple of minutes, and then I just wipe it off with a paper towel. And for my lip liner, I'm using MAC Oak Lip Liner and the lipstick Kingdom of Sweets, and I'm topping off with Spite Lip Gloss by MAC. Hey love, so this is the completed look. I didn't get a chance to do a New Year's look, but this is something similar. Like, you want to be extra dramatic, like going to out with your friends, something cute and dramatic. I have like on dramatic lashes, so like some 3Ds, whatever. So I did like a little halo eye, and it's something simple with some little glitter. So hope you enjoy the video. So if you like this video, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share it to all your friends, and have a great new year, and tell me your New Year's resolutions. And if you recreate this look, make sure you tag me on Instagram, or just hashtag DollfaceCee with 2 E's on Instagram. Thank you for watching.